Hi everyone. Today, we're learning English words for things you can find in the bathroom. Shower. I take a shower every morning. Soap. I wash my hands with soap. Shampoo. She uses shampoo to wash her hair. Toothpaste. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. Toothbrush. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. Shower gel. He uses shower gel instead of soap. Razor. My dad shaves with a razor. Toilet. Press the button to flush the toilet. Basin. She washes her face in the basin. Towel. I dry my hands with a towel. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.